Hey everyone, this is Colton with Wieda's Marine, and today we are bringing to you a nice used clean trade we just got in. This is a 2021 Ranger Z521L. This boat just came in on trade. It's only got 38 hours on it. Super clean boat. If you look at the video here, you'll see it's very immaculate. This one's set up. We got two HDS 12 lives on this boat. We got the Ghost trolling motor, 36 volt. It's got lithium batteries in it, the tracker lithiums for your trolling motor batteries. It's got an active target on it already, 8-foot power pole blades, completely loaded out, custom cover, super clean boat. The price on this one here is $69,900. If you have any questions, give us a call, 859-647-2628.